Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some red kidney beans. We'll go ahead and let them bad boys soak overnight. We have some smoked pork neck bones and some of that good Jiffy cornbread, but we're gonna mix it up. We have our blueberry, and then we have our regular cornbread. So we're gonna mix both of them together. So we're gonna have a nice little soul food Sunday. So we'll go ahead and let these beans soak overnight, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, so here we go. The next day, 24 hours of soaking. That's how we looking. Them bad boys blew up. And yes, I picked every last single one. And here go our vegetables, fresh vegetables from the garden. We have the bell peppers, the red and the green ones. We have some green beans, fresh from the garden. Look at it. Them green beans looking fat. Yes, sir. They coming out right. I see what y'all be saying about some fresh vegetables. Grow your own. Look at that. That boy is fat. But that's how we looking. So let's go ahead and start cooking and make it happen. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. Okay. We have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Just want to give it a nice little cook on the stove. And once I start with the cook, I'll go ahead and put the top on there and put that back in the stove. Open up some bell peppers. any type of meat you cook, if you give it a nice flavor, just like so, and you throw it back in the oven, and it will come out so tender and juicy. Flavor right there. Smells so good. That smells real good. Season it up. We have chicken bouillon. Red chicken bouillon, that's what we're using. And the bag. All mixed together. 2 tablespoons right there, and a half. Now remember, the nut bars is pork, so you have to season that. This is just for the vegetables and the beans. That's it. Let it do happen here. Okay, so here we go right here. 2 hours, 30 minutes in the oven. 400. Hold on, let's grab some good beans right there. Some beans right there. Yes. Yep. Yes, they done. And they not all mushy or nothing like that. What we're going to do, we're going to mush some of these beans. So I say just pull some beans to the front, just like so. So you want this gravy to get thick, nice and thick. So. Smash them beans right there, and then make your juice. Your juice gravy. Nice and thick. Shake that real good. Now stir it. Some people just grab something and put it in a bowl and smash it that way real good. Stir it up. And then add it back into the bowl. Back into the pot. So that's how we're looking. We'll wait for my cornbread to get done. We're about to put this good food on a nice plate and close this video. Hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so here we go right here. Food is nice and done. Follow my little simple steps and you'll come out with something delicious just like this. It don't have to be pork. Yes, this is pork right here. It could be beef, anything. Like I said, whatever you see on the stove and then put it in the oven afterwards, it's gonna come out so tender. Fire. Look at that. The neck bones are so tender right now. Look at that. I don't want to rip it, but it's ready. It's ready to be eaten. Look at them beans. Yes. All the way done. 2 hours, 30 minutes in the oven. Just like so. That's all you need, 2 hours and 30 minutes with the top on, and your food will come out fire. Or just add some aluminum foil on there. Don't sleep on me. Y'all missing out. Simple little steps. I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell on notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.